Hey, it's Annie, and I'm out here with our friend Bud. We just finished a project for he and his family, and he's going to talk a little bit about it.
You bet. Thanks, Annie. We had a enclosed garage right here where we're standing. And my brother and sister-in-law recently retired and are spending a lot of time down here, so they needed more space. So we decided to convert the garage into living and bedroom and bathroom space. So that's what Steve and Gill has done for us. They took this garage and created this little living area for us. We have a bedroom on the other side of these doors and a really, really nice bathroom that Steven and his crew created for us. The project took about 6 weeks from start to finish, and a lot of that was just waiting for materials. But they did a beautiful job. They were professional about everything they did. Whenever I needed to come in and go out, stuff like that, they were very accommodating. So I would recommend them highly. We actually have another project lined up that Steven's going to work with me on, a shed in the back. So really would recommend Gill and Associates.
Well, thank you, Bud. We loved working with you guys. You guys were wonderful. I'm noticing this opening was not here before.
No,
wow.
Yeah, and so I had asked Steven to recreate one that I had before in this space, and they did a perfect job. It looked exactly like the other one. I'm really happy with it. And I'm especially happy with these picture windows that they put in.
Oh, I know.
This view has just really taken over for me. I was going to put curtains up and decided that I like the view too well, so I'm not even going to put curtains there because the windows are tinted on the other side, so it's perfect.
It is. Thank you so much.
You bet. Thank y'all.